And the last topic we will discuss is about the nano world.
Nanotechnologies and nanomaterials. Nanotechnologies encompasses manipulating matters at the atomic or molecular level to create materials and devices with unique properties. It intersects with various fields. Nanotechnologies involves to controlling matter at the smallest scale, manipulating atoms and molecules to craft materials and devices with exceptional qualities. Its applications span diverse fields like computer science, medicine, agriculture, engineering, and promising breakthrough in technology and innovation. Nanotechnology is often referred to as general purpose technology due to its wide-ranging impact. It involves dealing with ultra-small particles and force chemistry and physics nanoscale level, typically ranging from 1 to 100 nanometers. Nanomaterials, which is exhibit novel property, are central nanotechnology. They can be produced from various chemicals, including transition metal and carbon-based structure, metal oxide, and nanocrystal composed of compounds like silicon and metals. Nanomaterials are pivotal to nanotechnology, boasting unique properties not found in bulk materials. They can be synthesized from range of chemicals including transition metals, carbon-based structures, metal oxides, and nanocrystals made of compounds like silicon and metals, enabling innovation applications across industries. Nanomaterials are essential components of nanotechnology, showcasing exceptional properties not seen in large-scale materials. They can be crafted from diverse chemicals, including transitions, metal carbon-based structures, metal oxide, and nanocrystals made of compound like silicon metals. And groundbreaking advancing and various field.
According to the National Nanotechnology Initiative (NNI), there are four generations of nanotechnology. 1. Passive nanostructures. These are simple nanomaterials that primarily utilize their size and physical properties for various applications. 2. Active nanodevices. These nanodevices exploits quantum effects to perform specific functions. 3. Nanosystem. This generation involves complex systems made up of interacting nanodevices functioning together for advanced purposes. 4. Molecular nanosystem. This includes highly sophisticated molecular machine capable of precise molecular manufacturing and assembly.
Today, I'm gonna discuss the potential applications of nanotechnology. Energy storage, production, and conversion. Incorporating carbon nanotubes into epoxy resin for windmill blade construction enhances their structural integrity and electrical conductivity. This results in more durable blades that can efficiently capture wind energy and convert it into electricity. The, the carbon nanotubes reinforce the epoxy, making the blades stronger and lighter, which improves their performance and extends their lifespan. As a result, windmills equipped with these advanced blades can generate more electricity, contributing to increased renewable energy production. Agricultural productivity and enhancement vector and pest detection and control. Nanosensors represent a significant advancement in agricultural technology, especially for rapidly assessing soil quality. These tiny devices utilize nanotechnology to detect and measure various parameters critical for soil health such as nutrient levels, moisture content, and presence of contaminants or pathogens. Water treatment and remediation. Nanoparticles are highly effective in cleaning up organic pollutants in groundwater, offering a versatile solution for water treatment and remediation. When introduced into contaminated water, nanoparticles such as zero-valent iron or titanium dioxide exhibit unique properties that enable them to efficiently degrade and remove organic pollutants. Disease diagnosis and screening drug delivery systems. Nanotechnology-based diagnostic kits and drug delivery system hold immense potential for revolutionizing disease diagnosis, screening, and treatment, offering numerous advantages in health monitoring and cure. Food processing and storage. Nanotechnology has revolutionized food packaging by introducing nanocomposite-based films, which offers numerous benefits in food processing and storage. These films are created by embedding nanoparticles such as clay minerals or metal oxides into polymer matrices, resulting in a material with enhanced properties tailored for food packaging. Air pollution and remediation. Reducing pollution generated during material manufacturing is crucial for environmental sustainability. Research has indeed shown that silver nanoclusters can serve as highly effective catalysts in the production process of propylene oxide, leading to significant reductions in polluting byproducts. Construction. Using nanomolecules in manufacturing construction materials like concrete, asphalt, glues, and housing surfaces offers a transformative shift in the construction industry, making processes easier and enhancing overall performance.
Nanotechnology-based customer products. Customer products are not exempted from nanotechnology. Nanotechnology has found its way into numerous products that can use every day. These include number 1, containing silver nanoparticles utilize the antimicrobial properties of silver to combat bacteria, thus making the clothing odor or resistant. The silver nanoparticles embed within the fabric interact with bacteria on the surface of the clothing, disrupting their cultural processing and preventing their growth. As a result, the fabric stays fresher for longer periods, even after multiple uses, without washing. For example, socks made from this type of fabric can remain odor resistant even after a long day of wear and physical activity. The silver nanoparticles in the fabric actively inhibit the growth of odor-causing bacteria, ensuring that the socks smell fresh and clean even after intense workout or prolonged wear. Number 2, skincare products such as lotion, sunscreen, and creams often utilize nanoparticles to enhance the delivery of vitamins deeper into the skin. These nanoparticles, typically engineered to be smaller than the skin's pores, facilitate efficient penetration into the skin's layers. By encapsulating vitamins within these nanoparticles, the active ingredients can reach deeper layers of the skin, where they can have a more significant impact on skin health. For example, a sunscreen containing nanoparticles encapsulating vitamin E can provide not only UV protection but also deliver antioxidants deeper into the skin, These nanoparticles ensure that the vitamin E is effectively absorbed, providing nourishment and helping to neutralize harmful free radicals, therapy promoting healthier and more radiant skin. Number 3. Lithium-ion batteries that incorporate nanoparticle-based electrodes leverage the unique properties of nanoparticles to enhance battery performance. Nanoparticles, due to their extremely small size, provide a high surface area to volume ratio, which improves the battery efficiency in storing and releasing energy. When used in electrodes, nanoparticles increase the electrode's surface area, allowing for more lithium ions to be stored and transported during charging and discharging cycles. For example, in lithium-ion batteries for electric vehicles, nanoparticle-based electrodes can significantly increase the battery energy density, allowing for longer driving range between charge. The nanoparticles in the electrodes facilitate faster changing and discharging rates, making the battery more responsive and durable. Overall, the use of nanoparticle-based electrodes improve the performance and longevity of lithium-ion batteries, making them crucial for various applications, includes portable electronics and renewable energy storage.
And last, this is the following list of the risk assessment and ethical consideration. Overall, nanoethics focuses on the ethical and social implication of nanotechnology, aiming to protect human rights, health, and future generations.